Hello everyone, this is Shirley from CLW Group. Today I would like to show you a ISUZU garbage truck. You can see behind me is a line of ISUZU FVR garbage compactor truck. It is a large project we got from the United Union for the Yemen government. Okay, so follow me. Let me show you more about the truck details. Okay, let's follow the camera. Let me show you the details of the inside cabin. You can see the truck body. The container box is the orange color. It is the specially designed and required by the client. And the size is 10 cbm. Also, the truck can be made by 12 cbm, around 10 tons. It is the perfect design. And here it is the manual operation system. From here, you can handle the bucket operation. And the whole truck is controlled by the CAMC system. Here you can see it is the English control panel here. And all the operation will be controlled here. Here you can see it is the single circle, continuous circle, and the scraper open and the slide down. Also, you can see it very clearly for all the operation. Here at the rear of the truck, you can see it is the tipping bucket system for your recycling the residential waste. Or you can hang the bucket here, so the truck can tip in the bucket, taking the waste in the bucket into the waste container. And we also offer a light for the light work. Above the truck, you can see here there is a light. Okay, that is the truck introduction about the ISUZU garbage truck. If you need the garbage truck or need any else ISUZU truck, you can contact with Shirley. My contact is here. Contact Shirley. See you next time.